Hello students, in this video we are going to discuss different types of matrices. So first of all, the matrix which we are going to discuss is column matrix. So what is a column matrix? A matrix which has only one column and any number of rows is known as a column matrix. For example, if I have written any matrix like in this column 1 2 3, where 3 is the number of rows, 1 is the number of columns, then it is a column matrix. Another example of column matrix is like A11, A21, A31 with 3 cross 1 order. Thereafter, the next type of matrix is row matrix. So what is a row matrix? A matrix which has only one row and any number of columns is known as a row matrix. So example of row matrix is like 1 2 3 with order 1 cross 3. Another example of row matrix is A11, A12, A13 with order 1 cross 3. Thereafter, the another third type of matrix is known as null matrix or zero matrix. So what is a null matrix? A matrix with all the entries equal to 0 is known as a null matrix. For example, a 2 cross 2 null matrix is 0 0 0 0 and a 3 cross 3 null matrix is 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 and 0. So null matrix or zero matrix, two names are there. After that, we will talk about square matrix. What is a square matrix? A matrix in which number of rows is equal to number of columns is known as a square matrix. So what are the examples of square matrix? So we are going to discuss now that what are the examples of square matrix. Square matrix example are like 2 cross 2 matrix I have written A11, A12, A21, A22, where A11 is first row first column element, A12 is first row second column element, A21 is second row first column element, A22 is second row second column element. Similarly, 3 cross 3 matrix is A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33, where small aij is representing an element in ith row and jth column. Ith row and jth column. Now, thereafter, the next type of matrix is diagonal matrix. What is a diagonal matrix? A square matrix with all the non-diagonal elements equal to 0 is known as a diagonal matrix. What are the examples of diagonal matrix? This is a diagonal matrix of 2 cross 2 order. This is a diagonal matrix of 3 cross 3 order, where all the non-diagonal elements are 0. After that, the next type of matrix is known as scalar matrix. What is a scalar matrix? A diagonal matrix in which all the diagonal elements are equal is known as a scalar matrix. So for example, if I have written any matrix here, this matrix with all the principal diagonal elements equal to k, it means all the diagonal elements are equal. So there are few possibilities. If k is equal to 1, then this type of matrix will be formed here with all the diagonal elements equal to 1. So it is unit matrix or identity matrix. So the rest of the possibilities are like if we are taking different values of k. For example, if I am taking k equal to 0, so this principal diagonal will also be 0. Apart from it, all other elements are already 0. So it is a zero matrix. It is a zero matrix of order 3 cross 3. If k equal to 1, then it is unit matrix of order 3 cross 3. If k is neither 0 nor 1, then this type of matrix will be formed where all the principal diagonal elements are equal to k. For example, if I am setting here k equal to 2, then it is a scalar matrix where all the principal diagonal elements are equal, but those are not equal to 0 or 1. After that, the next type of matrix is known as the identity matrix. What is an identity matrix? A square matrix is known as an identity matrix in which all the diagonal elements are equal to 1 and all the non-diagonal elements are equal to 0. Okay, so the thing is like, if I am writing here I2 means identity matrix of order 2 cross 2. So all the principal diagonal elements are equal to 1 and all other elements are 0. So this is identity matrix of order 2. If I have written here I3 is identity matrix of what? Identity matrix of order 3 cross 3. So here principal diagonal elements are equal to 1 and all other non-diagonal elements are 0. So this is IN, this is identity matrix, this is identity matrix of order n cross n. So where all the principal diagonal elements are 1 and all other non-diagonal elements are 0. So this is all about the type of matrices in this video. Thank you.